What's up guys, it is I, Astro Hippie, back at it looking as fabulous as ever with these eyebrows on and concealed lids. But as you can tell from the title, this is the random number chooses my eyeshadow look challenge. And if you'd like to see what numbers were picked for me and what palette I use, just keep watching, okay? Just make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below, and make sure you turn on those bell notifications so you know every time I upload. My upload schedule is Wednesday and Sunday at 9 p.m. Eastern time. Okay guys, so the palette I'll be using today is the Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette. Yes, I think this palette is beautiful. I was mostly attracted to like the greens in here, and I've probably only used this palette once. As you can see, it still looks pretty brand new. So yeah, and there's obviously 35 shades in here because it is a 35M palette. So let's generate some numbers, why don't we? Okay guys, so let's generate some numbers here, and I'm picking 3 random numbers. First number is 11. Second number is 8. And the third number is 22. So let's see what we can come up with these 3 numbers. Okay guys, I am back. I just had to go off camera and do this eye first to figure out what I wanted to do. It was a task, but this is the look I have come up with, and now let me show you guys how I got here. So the first color I'm going to take is that number 11 that we picked, which is Hello Sunshine. And when I say this shadow is so dusty, it is so dusty. Like, it really took a while for me to build the color up, but I just placed this in my crease all the way over to the inner corner and fairly high up towards the eyebrow. Like, I don't know if this will even pick up on camera, but can you see how dusty that is? Like, high up towards the eyebrow. Now what I'm going to do is I actually took my finger for this number 8 shade, which is Stand Out. It's kind of a metallic green, dark green, and I had to take my finger and I placed like a base down, and then I ended up spraying my brush with my Morphe setting mist in order to build up that intensity. It seems like, and you just want to keep packing on this color and blending out the edges until you get it really that Google picked for me today. Want to act right. So I just patted on a base layer, and now I'm going to wet my brush and build it up the way I need to. And the brush that I've been using for these 2 tasks is just the same exact brush. It is the Luxie 249. I have a couple of these. I use the blending side, obviously, to blend in that Hello Sunshine shade, number 11. And then I took the flat, like, shader brush side to pack on that Stand Out shade, the number 8 that we picked. And I'm just kind of taking it up fairly high in the center and then flipping the brush around and blending it out so that it looks seamless and nice and blended. And I actually want to take that number 11 shade, Hello Sunshine, and put it in the corners here too to help blend out those edges a little bit, since I only get 3 colors to work with. Okay, so the next shade I am using, which is my last shade, which was number 22 that was picked. And that shade is called Confidence, and it is like a sort of orangey reddish shimmer. Yeah, I got 2 shimmers out of this random generator, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm taking my Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm just gonna spray it with my Morphe setting mist, pack on the color, and then just put it right up in here and build it up to the intensity that you like. I have no idea if you guys can even hear this on camera, but this brush is making the weirdest little tapping noise. Whatever. And then I like to switch back to that Morphe 249 and kind of blend these 2 shades together. Okay, that is honestly maybe a little bit more like easy peasy shade. I'm just gonna go off camera, finish the rest of my face, of course add lashes and liner to this eye, and then I'll also go back into Hello Sunshine and blend up these edges here. So that everything looks gorgeous, or as gorgeous as possible. Yeah, I think I'm gonna build up that Confidence shade, that red shade, a little bit more. Okay guys, I am back with my face all complete. The only thing I did to finish off my eyes was I used my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner in the shade Perversion. And then I smoked out the lower line just a little bit with that number 8 shade, that standout shade, that kind of chromy green that we put in the center. Kind of smoked it out a little bit there, and then I just put a little bit more of that Confidence shade in the inner corner, not too much. And then for my lips, I did it a little different, guys, than I normally do, just a little bit. I used my brown LA Colors lip liner, and then I used this Bella Pierre lipstick in the shade Incognito. Can I say, guys? Good. Remember, so keep it groovy and roll the glam on top. Smells so good. But I put that in the center of my lips, and then I just topped everything off with my Estate Cosmetics lip gloss in Drip. Okay? So, if you guys like these kind of videos from me and you like this kind of content, just let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like and subscribe. This was super fun. This is something way out of the box for me. I wouldn't typically pick these sorts of shades to put on my eyes, but this was super fun and challenging. So remember, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification to let you know every time I upload.
I'm so groovy. I got power. I'm so groovy. I got power.